Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Tom. And I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. Today's topic is English in daily life at the market. Yes, the market is a place we all go. Vegetables, fruits, prices, simple talk. This episode will help you speak English at the market. Easy words, real conversation. No pressure, no fear. Just relax and listen. Quick reminder, if you like learning English with us, please like, subscribe, and share this podcast. All right, let's start learning together. At the market. Part 1, basic market words. First, let's learn some market words. Listen first, just listen. Market, shop, seller, customer, vegetables, fruits, price, money. Good job. Now let's say them together. Market, vegetables, price. Nice, you're doing great already. Part 2, asking prices. At the market, we often ask about price. The most common question is, how much is this? Listen again. How much is this? Repeat with us. How much is this? Perfect. Here is a small dialogue. Listen first. How much is this? It is $2. Very simple. Now let's discuss. You can change the price. $2, $3, 10 rupees. Now listen again. How much is this? It is 50 rupees. Part 3. Asking for quantity. Sometimes we want more or less. Listen to these phrases. 1 kilo, please. Half kilo, please. Repeat slowly. 1 kilo, please. Half kilo, please. Excellent. That sounds natural. Here's another dialogue. 1 kilo, please. Sure. Simple and polite. Part 4. Talking about quality. At the market, we talk about quality. Listen to these words. Fresh, good, not good. Example sentence. These tomatoes are fresh. Repeat with us. These tomatoes are fresh. Nice pronunciation. Another sentence. This apple is not good. That's okay to say. Be polite, be calm. Part 5. Saying yes or no politely. Sometimes we say yes. Sometimes we say no. Listen. Yes, please. No, thank you. Repeat. No, thank you. Very good. Polite English is important. Part 6. Full market conversation. Now let's listen to a full market conversation. Just listen first. Hello. Hello. How much is this? It is 30 rupees. Okay, 1 kilo, please. Sure. Here you are. Thank you. You're welcome. Great listening. Part 7. Listen, discuss, listen again. Now let's discuss. We used very simple English. Hello. How much is this? 1 kilo, please. Thank you. These are real sentences. People use them every day. Now listen again. How much is this? 1 kilo, please. Thank you. Part 8. Practice together. Let's practice together. You answer after Tom. How much is this? Good job. 1 kilo, please. Nice speaking. You're improving already. Section 9. Asking for something specific. Now let's learn how to ask for something specific at the market. Listen first. Just listen. I want apples. Repeat with us. I want apples. Good job. Very clear. You can also say, I want tomatoes. Say it slowly. I want tomatoes. Nice. You're speaking real English. Section 10. Asking politely. Now let's make it more polite. Listen carefully. I want apples, please. Repeat. I want apples, please. Great. Please is very important. It sounds friendly and polite. Section 11. Choosing items. At the market, we often choose items. Listen to this sentence. I want these. Repeat. I want these. Very good. Another sentence. I want those. Listen again. I want those. Good job. Simple and useful. Section 12. Saying too expensive. Sometimes the price is high. We can say this. It is expensive. Repeat with us. It is expensive. Good pronunciation. You can also say, it is too expensive. Repeat slowly. It is too expensive. Nice speaking, very natural. Section 13. Asking for a better price. Now, let's ask for a better price. Listen first. Can you reduce the price? Repeat. Can you reduce the price? Excellent. Another easy sentence is there a discount? Repeat together. Is there a discount? Great job, you're doing really well. Section 14. Seller says yes, or the seller may say no. Listen. Yes, okay. No, sorry. Repeat. No, sorry. That's okay. Be calm and polite. Section 15. Full conversation practice. Now let's listen to a full conversation. Just listen, don't speak yet. Hello. I want apples, please. Okay, how much do you want? 1 kilo, please. It is 100 rupees. It is expensive. Can you reduce the price? Okay, 90 rupees. Thank you. You're welcome. Great listening. Section 16. Listen, discuss, listen again. Now let's discuss. We used very simple English. I want apples. 1 kilo, please. It is expensive. These are real market sentences. Now listen again. I want apples, please. 1 kilo, please. Can you reduce the price? Section 17. Speak with listener. Now it's your turn to speak. Answer after Tom. What do you want? Good job. How much do you want? Nice, you're improving already. Section 18. Common mistakes, gentle correction. Small tip for you. Don't say long sentences. Short sentences are best. Say 1 kilo, please. Not long, not hard. Simple English is powerful. Section 19. Key market English. Let's recap the key English phrases for the market. Listen first, then repeat. How much is this? Repeat. How much is this? Good job. 1 kilo, please. Repeat slowly. 1 kilo, please. Nice and clear. I want apples, please. Repeat with us. I want apples, please. Very good. It is expensive. Repeat. It is expensive. And one more. Can you reduce the price? Repeat slowly. Can you reduce the price? Excellent. These are real market sentences. Section 20. Listen one more time. Slow English. How much is this? 1 kilo, please. I want apples, please. It is expensive. Can you reduce the price? Very nice listening. You understand more than you think. Section 21. Speak with us. Now it's your turn to speak. Answer after Tom. What do you want? Good job. How much do you want? Nice speaking. Keep going. Section 22. Confidence tip. Quick tip for you. Don't worry about perfect English. Simple English is enough. Short sentences are best. People understand you, and your confidence will grow.
Section 23. Encouragement. You're learning step by step. Every sentence is progress. You listened. You repeated. You spoke. That's real learning. Wrap up, recap, and community question. Let's quickly recap today's phrases. How much is this? 1 kilo, please. Fresh vegetables. No, thank you. These phrases help you at the market. Simple English. Real life English. You don't need perfect English. You need clear English. And you are doing great. Tell us in the comments, what do you buy first at the market? Vegetables, fruits, something else? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. Both. See you in the next episode.